In an era where economic uncertainty is the only certainty, where does one find stability? We live in a time of constant change, a time when the world's economies are as unpredictable as the weather. Market volatility has become the new norm, with stock prices yo-yoing and currencies bobbing like ships in a stormy sea. The global economy, once a sturdy ship, now seems more like a flimsy raft, tossed about by the winds and waves of uncertainty. In such tumultuous times, the need for a reliable investment, a safe haven, becomes paramount. Something that can weather the storm, something that can provide a degree of stability amidst the chaos. Traditional investments may falter, but there's one asset that has stood the test of time, one that has been a beacon of stability in periods of economic upheaval. The answer, perhaps surprisingly, lies deep within the earth: gold and other precious metals. Gold, a symbol of wealth and power, has captured the human imagination since the dawn of civilization. From the moment our ancient ancestors first stumbled upon a shiny yellow nugget in a riverbed, gold has had a mystical allure. This allure has driven men and women to traverse continents and oceans, led to the rise and fall of empires, and even sparked frenzied gold rushes. In the ancient cultures of Egypt and Mesopotamia, gold was revered for its beauty and incorruptibility. Pharaohs were buried with golden artifacts, believed to provide divine protection in the afterlife. In Mesopotamia, gold was a medium of trade, a precursor to the modern financial systems we use today. Fast forward to Rome, where gold was used to mint coins, becoming an integral part of a burgeoning economic system. The Romans understood that gold held a consistent value, making it an ideal base for their currency. As we journey through the Middle Ages, gold continued to play a pivotal role. Kings and queens hoarded it, creating vast treasuries that symbolized their wealth and power. In the New World, the Spanish conquistadors were driven by their insatiable thirst for gold, leading to the discovery and colonization of vast territories. Then came the 19th century, an era marked by gold rushes around the globe. From the Appalachian Mountains to the wild rivers of California, from the frozen Yukon Territory to the sun-baked Australian outback, prospectors risked everything in their quest for gold. These gold rushes brought untold wealth to some, but also led to dramatic social and economic changes. Throughout history, gold has been a reliable store of value. Even when empires crumbled and currencies failed, gold has always retained its worth. It's a tangible asset, one that you can hold in your hand, and it's not subject to the whims of governments or financial institutions. Gold has withstood the test of time, but what makes it such a reliable investment? Gold, silver, platinum, these precious metals are more than just shiny objects. Our fascination with them stretches back to the dawn of civilization, and for good reason. These elements possess intrinsic qualities that set them apart from the rest. They are scarce, durable, and widely used in various industries, making them highly sought after and valuable. Let's delve into their worth, shall we? Gold, often called the currency of last resort, has held its value throughout history. When currencies falter and stock markets tumble, gold has frequently been the safe haven investors turn to. Its rarity and difficulty to mine add to its allure. But gold isn't the only precious metal worth considering. Silver, often dubbed the poor man's gold, holds its own unique appeal. It's used extensively in the industrial sector, particularly in electronics, due to its high conductivity. This industrial demand creates a steady market for silver, providing it with a strong backbone of value. And then there's platinum, the rich man's gold. It's even rarer than gold, and its price often exceeds that of gold. Its primary use is in the automotive industry for catalytic converters which reduce harmful emissions, but it's also used in jewelry, electronics, and various other industries. The combined industrial and investment demand for platinum can lead to significant price swings, offering potential for high returns. Yet it's important to remember that the value of these metals doesn't merely lie in their scarcity or industrial usage. These elements are tangible assets. They are physical, they are real. You can hold a gold coin in your hand, you can feel its weight, you can appreciate its glow. This tangibility is a comfort in an increasingly digital world, where assets can seem abstract and intangible. In a world of economic uncertainty, these precious metals offer a beacon of stability. They are a testament to the enduring appeal of tangible assets, and a reminder of the potential for wealth preservation and growth they provide. But how can one invest in these precious metals? Investing in gold and precious metals is not as difficult as you may think. This statement might come as a surprise to some, but the reality is, There are several ways to tap into the lustrous world of precious metals. Let's start with the most tangible method: buying physical gold. This could be in the form of bars, coins, or even jewelry. The allure of this method lies in the fact that you literally have your investment in your hands. It's real, it's tangible, and it's been a symbol of wealth for thousands of years. However, it's worth noting that physical gold requires safe storage, and it's not as liquid as other forms of investment. Next up, we have the option of investing in gold exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. These are investment funds traded on stock exchanges, much like individual stocks. Gold ETFs can be a great way to gain exposure to the price of gold without the need to store physical gold. This method offers liquidity and ease of trading. However, it's important to remember that with ETFs, you don't actually own the physical gold, you own a share of a fund that owns gold. Finally, there's the option of buying shares in gold mining companies. This is an indirect way of investing in gold. If the price of gold goes up, these companies stand to make a profit, and as a shareholder, so do you. But keep in mind, investing in gold mining companies also means you're exposed to the risks associated with any business, such as operational issues or political instability in the regions where the mines are located. So, whether you're a traditionalist who prefers the feel of cold hard gold in your hands, a modern investor who values liquidity and convenience, or a risk-taker willing to delve into the intricacies of gold mining companies, there's a method to suit your style. With so many options, investing in gold and precious metals has become accessible to anyone. So why not consider adding a little sparkle to your investment portfolio? In a world of economic uncertainty, gold and precious metals offer a glimmer of stability. As we have journeyed through the rich history and inherent value of these precious commodities, it becomes clear why they have always been a beacon of security amidst financial turbulence. Let's revisit some key points. Gold, silver, platinum, and other precious metals have been treasured for their intrinsic value since time immemorial. These aren't just shiny objects to adorn our bodies or decorate our homes, they are tangible assets with limited supply and increasing demand. They hold their value even when paper currencies and digital assets falter. Remember the gold rushes of the 19th century? Those frenzied quests were not just about acquiring wealth but also about securing a buffer against economic downturns. Mining for these metals, physically or metaphorically, has always been about more than just the allure of their glitter. It's about the promise of stability they offer. Investing in these metals is not just about buying and holding, it's about understanding their role in the larger economic picture. When economies wobble, precious metals stand firm. They are the stalwarts, the reserves that governments and individuals alike turn to in times of financial crisis. In a world where money is increasingly digital and intangible, the tangibility of gold and precious metals becomes even more precious. They are not subject to the whims of technology, nor do they rely on the stability of a particular government or bank. And let's not forget, investing in gold and precious metals isn't just about playing defense, it's also an offensive strategy, a way to potentially reap significant gains during times of economic growth. So, as we navigate the unpredictable seas of the global economy, these precious metals serve as our buoy, our lighthouse guiding us towards financial safety. In the face of economic uncertainty, investing in gold and precious metals isn't just a wise decision, it's a golden opportunity.